Let's recreate this design I did way back in the day. I want to say probably 2020, 2021 I did this design. And I got an order for it this past week. So we're going in with some builder gel from Model 1. Firstly, to kind of thicken the nail, since we want it to last, we want to give some strength to the nail itself. So I'm going in with a very thin coat because I don't want the nail to be bulky. And then we're going to cure that for the 60-second time frame in my lamp. I've used this before and I like it. It's pretty cool. I don't have an issue with it. It's clear. It cures with a little sticky layer but not too much. So it's all cured now, and then we're going in with another thin layer of my base coat just to make everything a bit smoother when I'm applying my polish. The base coat, of course, is also from Model 1, also the top coat. And these are my gels that I got from Beetles that I have been using. They are a set of six, or they came in a set of 6. They are nude base colors. They're a bit lighter than my original design, as you can see here, because my client, she wanted them to be a bit lighter. She didn't like the darker nude. She wanted something light, so I went in with this. I'm actually using 2 separate colors, as you can see, to kind of, mix and match the nude bases to create my own type of nude base. So I go in with a darker color first, then of course a thin layer of that because we already have base coat. That's B40, I believe. And then I'm going, after that's cured, I go in with a lighter color, just also a thin coat. You can see the color difference there. So I go in with that because I figured probably it was a bit too light for her complexion because she's a dark girl like myself. But you want to ensure that the base kind of matches. It's not too light for the skin tone, so I figured I'd go in with the lighter on top of the dark. It's more of a pinkish color to see if we could kind of mix to make kind of a nudish pink base. So this is the result. Now this is an older set also from Model 1. I guess you could say this entire set is from Beetles and Model 1 products. So yeah, I'm going in with this color. This was a set of 6, I want to say, also of browns. I don't believe this set is available on Amazon anymore. I got all my products from Amazon, by the way. I got this earlier when I started doing nails in like 2019. I've checked before. I haven't seen the same set, but I've seen similar color sets. I'll link that in the description if you're interested. I saw a similar set, but it's of course different than this. I believe they probably discontinued this set itself, or probably they just rebranded it. It could be that's what they did. But yeah, I actually hated this set when I first bought it because the colors just, I didn't like them for some reason. But I guess over the years my opinion has changed. So I'm going in with a French tip at the bottom. It's kind of like half the nail is I would use to make my French with that light brown. And then I'm going in also from the same set with this darker brown color. I'm actually, for me, this darker brown is the best color out of the entire set. It's just beautiful in person. I love it. So yeah, I'm going in to outline my French with a gold that I've had for a couple years now. It is from Cocois. It is their, I believe it's called Arabian Gold. So I'm going in to create my little swirl designs of the original pics. You could see at the top there, if the camera would focus, what I'm trying to mimic, as I already did the other 4 nails already. Then I'm going in with the brown. It's not a painting gel, actually. This is a gel polish, but if you use thin lines, you could get away with kind of using it as a painting gel, as I did. And I only use 1 coat because I did not want to go over and do 2 coats of these lines and then probably kind of spoil the nail, so I only did one, but I sealed and cured everything pretty well with top coat so it wouldn't chip off or anything like that. Now I'm going in with a second color also from the same set, which is also a brown, but it is more of a, I call it like a gray brown. Yeah, they're like different shades or different tones of brown, so I'm going in with that just to kind of complete the design. I guess you could say this is an abstract nail design. I'm also going in back again to outline everything with the gold, but this is the finished result. I already installed them for her and she loves them, so that's good. As long as my client is happy, that then I'm happy. This is where I'm going in with a glossy top coat also from Model 1, a good amount, not a very thick layer but a good amount to seal everything in. And here's the finished result. Thank you for watching. Check out some of my other videos. I'll see you in my next one.